In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add or modify a vehicle description. Start by locating a vehicle you'd like to work with from your inventory. I'm entering our test vehicle stock number, then clicking the search button. And here's the inventory record for our test vehicle, also known as the inventory instance. If your vehicle has an internet description, it should have been imported along with your data and will appear in this area of the inventory record. If you'd like to modify this description, click on Internet Description. Leave the template set to Description, only available for this inventory item, and leave the title set as Description. Now, you can modify or add a vehicle description by typing into the description editor. If you'd like to copy a description from a website or word processor such as Microsoft Word, be aware that hidden HTML code from these sources may cause rendering issues or errors within your eBay listing. To avoid this problem, we highly recommend watching our brief tutorial on how to use the description editor, which outlines how to safely copy text from outside sources. When you're finished modifying or creating an inventory description, be sure to click Save All. The description that was just saved will appear in both the inventory and eBay records for the vehicle, which brings us to eBay vehicle descriptions. First of all, there is no eBay vehicle description until an eBay record has been created. Once that occurs, the inventory description automatically copies over into the eBay record, at which point you can use it as is for your eBay listings or modify it if you like. So, how do you know whether or not an eBay record even exists for a vehicle? Making this determination is easy. First, locate the Actions for this item menu at the far right. Then, look at the first link in that menu. If it says Create and Review eBay Ad, it means an eBay record has not yet been created. In that event, you won't be able to add or modify the eBay vehicle description until an eBay record has been created. We're not going to go over how to do that here, because that's actually the beginning stages of creating an eBay listing. If you're not familiar with that procedure, we strongly recommend watching our video tutorial on how to list a vehicle on eBay, which includes instructions for modifying your inventory and eBay vehicle descriptions. Now, let's look at an example of a vehicle where the eBay record does already exist. If you see Switch to eBay View under Actions for this item, it means an eBay record has already been created for this vehicle. In that event, you have options. First, click Switch to eBay View. You're now looking at the eBay record or instance of the vehicle. Option 1. If you'd like to use the same description that appears in the inventory record for your eBay listing, then you don't need to do anything, because as we just went over, that description automatically carries over the moment the eBay record is created. Here's a what if. What if you go back and modify your inventory description after the eBay record has been created? Well, then you'll need to modify your eBay description also if you'd like it to match, because it will not carry over a second time. Option 2. Let's say you would like to modify your eBay description, either to make it match a recently updated inventory description or just to create a unique description for your eBay listing. Either way, the process is very simple, and here's how you do it. Click on Descriptions just above the gallery photo. After that, the Message Center pop-up will appear. Leave the template set to Description, only available for this eBay item, and leave the title set as Description. Next, make your changes to the text body only. Then, click Save All, and you've just finished updating the eBay description. An important note here. If you modify an eBay description while a live listing is running, the only way that change will take effect on eBay is if you either have automatic revisions set up in your Auction 123 account, or you manually revise the eBay listing. When a listing is live on eBay, and you're looking at the eBay view in the dashboard, also known as the eBay record or instance of the vehicle, the Review and Launch button changes to say Review and Revise. Alternately, after a listing ends, the button changes to say Review and Relist. Clicking this button when it says Review and Revise takes you to the preview page, where you can revise the listing on eBay. If the Revise on eBay button is grayed out on the preview page and you're sure the listing is live, it means the listing is not eligible for revision. Remember, eBay listings can only be revised if there are no bids or offers and the listing is not ending in the next 12 hours. This concludes the instructional on vehicle descriptions, but be sure to watch our related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this Auction 123 tutorial, and as always, we appreciate your business.